theme of the league.
I'll start.
Hooray! Hooray! What is the capital of Germany?
Yes, I know this question. It is Madrid.
You're stupid, it's London. Oh, Berlin. With D.
Hey mom, what animal does Bab Bab?
Batak.
Thank you, mom. I love you. Cat.
Correct. And the next question. With D. How do you say in Spanish, Spain?
Oh, I don't know. Password.
Go out, please!
He's dead. He's dead. No, he isn't dead. He is dead. I will present. Bye, Mark. And now the adverts.
Oh my god, he said. There's someone. Here is the exit. Here is someone. Oh, Felix. Here is someone.
Pablo, grábalo todo. Por tu puta madre. Coming soon.
Hello, Maria.
Hello.
Nice. What are you doing here?
I want to present you this new shampoo. It's a shampoo that you put this on your skin, and it's very good. Very good.
Okay, good.
Now sit down, please. Sit
Yeah.
down. You have it here. You put this here. You see a little bit. Here you go. And you see, and now you put a little bit like this in your
And then it hydrates your skin. So buy Sanix aceite. Hello, I'm Patricia, and this is my diary. Today, two gay boys have come. One big applause for these guys. Come in! Let's go.
Atrévete, salte del closet, destápate, quítate el esmalte, deja de taparte, que nadie va a retratarte, levántate, ponte hyper, préndete, sácale chispa al esmalte.
Oh, the oil.
I'm sorry, Patricia. I am gay. Oh, sorry. Hello guys, how are you?
Hello, I'm fine. My name is Thomas and I like this program. Party.
And I'm Walter, and I like boys, like my boyfriend, huh?
Like me?
Yeah.
Yes.
Why have you come here?
Because I want to tell my dad that we are guys in a...
Okay,
Come here, please, Dad.
okay.
Come.
Now enter James, the dad of Alton. James,
He's here. He's here.
James? Daddy? James? Oh my god.
this is James.
No. No.
No, father.
Please.
Hello James. Sit down, please.
Hello, father.
Hello, Father.
Hello. He's my father. Why I am here?
Because your son want to you say anything. Alton.
Father, I want to tell you something. It's a bit difficult, but I am gay.
And me.
What? And this is my boyfriend. What?
No, please, no. No, please.
No, stop! Stop!
Mi fiposo, no, no.
Vale.
No, entonces digo como
Vaya, no, soy un maricón. No.
Okay, now enter Sheila, the mom of Walton.
¡No! Tienen que tener repetir.
Hello guys. How are you?
I am Thomas. I'm fine. Yes.